Yo, what's up, my family? So I called it last video, told you Bitcoin was going to end up going back to 64,000, and it did. All right, we ain't here to talk about that, but I just wanted to tell y'all, I hope y'all got in, made y'all some money, and you're welcome. God is good, man. But look, let's get in here and look, for some cool little setups. See if we can find anything worth trading right now. You know what I mean? And what to look for when you're in these markets. This is a perfect market right here. Why? Let me look at this. This is USD Chef. Okay. So there's a couple reasons why I feel like this is just perfect. Number one, stochastic is high. Boom. Number two, confirmation number two, we're in a downtrend because all the candles are below this 200 moving average. Number three, they all stick close to this 20 and drop. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna go in. Let's do a 5 lot. Let's do a 5 lot, and I'm going to sell off on the M15. All right. I've seen everything I needed to see. And now let me zoom in a little bit, kind of make this a little bit bigger. All right. So that y'all can see. All right. So as you can see right now, we're in profit, but this is gonna be a little long-term play. Now, the best entries, of course, is when you're going with the trend. All right. So since the trend is already down, okay, and with the stochastic is high, you hold those trades long term, right? Even better, once it closes below the 20 as well, you hold again. And you just hold and don't fold. You feel me? That's just what it is. So I'm gonna hold on to this trade. All right, and then we're gonna go look at some other stuff. Just to, see what's going on in these markets. These are really like the only pairs I trade, as well as gold. And I ain't even really looked at gold yet. This is kind of doing the same thing, vice versa. This Euro USD. What do we notice about this pair? Is that the candles are above the 200, correct? They're above the 20, easy money, right? We use this gap to filter out, what's going on. But as long as they don't pass this 200, we still good for the buys. So you can still buy early here if you wanted to, or you could wait till it close above, take that trade, throw your stop loss somewhere in here, and we took off and we riding. We out. You see what I'm saying? All day. These are all day setups that I want y'all to start getting in this Forex market, man. You can make so much money. You can make so much money. All right? So much. Now, when the market is choppy like this, right now it's like 5 o'clock, so it's really not a great time to be trading right now. London session was the best time, and then New York after that, 7 o'clock Central, my time. So right now the market's a little slow. So, I'm going to hold this trade, and then I want to come back once it, finally start making this move. All right, so I don't know how long that's going to be, but we're going to hold it, and I'll be back. Let's get it. Yo, I had to come back real quick because this is a good teaching moment. Right now, okay, so the candle, of course, is above the 20, right? We're still in a downtrend, though, so I'm going with the trend. Got in a little too early, right? But what I notice is we're coming up on a zone here, and a zone here. So when you see that, these are the times that you double up on your entries, y'all. All right. So right now I'm going to sell again here. Okay. Sell again there. And then I'll have one more potential entry here. I check my margin. Free margin, great. Still 22,000 free margin. Amazing. Right. So we're good. If it shoots up to about here, then I may double up one more time. And then I will not place no more trades after that. Usually I do 4, but I won't place no more trades after that. I'll just leave it and let it run. All right. So I wanted to show y'all that because these the kind of things you need to know whenever in a trade with the trend. All right. So let's get it. Yo, so as you can see, we are now up $500. Right. God is good, man. I try to tell y'all, man, these strategies work. I'm gonna go ahead and take some profit, or take the profit, not some. We're gonna take it all. The strategies work, y'all, and again, I am to the point in my trading career where, look, I am grateful for everything that comes to me in these markets. You know what I'm saying? So I'm good with $500 in a day. I'm good with $200-$300 in a day. You know what I'm saying? That is a blessing from God, man. Anytime you can come in these markets and really eat, feed your family with this stuff, take vacations, enjoy life. I mean, it's a blessing, y'all. So I don't take it for granted. And I want y'all to do the same thing, man. Like, that's why I give y'all these strategies. That's why I give y'all these kind of setups. So that way you can eat too, provide for your family, and sometimes even quit the job that you do not like going to every single day. You know what I'm saying? Because honestly, most jobs not even paying you $200 a day, let alone five. You know what I'm saying? So it's a blessing to be able to come in here and do that, man. So that these setups like this is how you can be very confident in your trading. Same way with this pair right here. This USD CAD. Same thing. Look, we're below the 200 and we're even under the 20 here. Perfect, right? We can wait on a pullback rejection, or we can just buy and continue, right? We buy in. Let's say we sell. I mean, not buy in, but we sell right here. Let's say we sell here. Throw the stop loss up here. You know what I'm saying? Simple as that. Something like that. You know what I'm saying? And you in there. Just trade with the trend. If the market again gets too far away from the 20 moving average, eventually has to get back close to it or touch the 20 moving average before it decides to make a move. Notice the same thing keeps happening here. It got too far away, had to come back. So using all of these techniques inside of this strategy, y'all, will make you a beast in these markets. Simple as that. You hold, don't fold. You know what I mean? You just hold for a little bit. And as long as the trend is trending, it's good. As long as you ain't got like crazy news that's about to happen, then you should be fine. If news is about to hit, then you may want to wait a little bit. You know what I mean? But again, trade with the trend, y'all. It's gonna be your friend. If you want to counter trend trade, just understand that it may not last that long. You may only get one candle. For instance, right here, you only got one green candle if you was trying to buy right here. You know what I'm saying? And then it dropped right back down on you. So you got to keep that kind of stuff in mind anytime you trade in these markets, right? I mean, all these setups, again, perfect setups. Look at this. GU bouncing right off the 20. Potential takeoff. You know what I'm saying? If you follow what it's been doing, I told you, look, we start getting too far away from that 20. We got to at least come back and touch it. Bingo. You know what I'm saying? Now we're getting that bounce again, potentially to go back up. Right? If it start closing below here, you wait a little bit until you get that push back above the 20, and then you hop back in and get in there. This was ideal right here. This is consolidation, right? Then we broke above the 20. So either you could have entered here or you could have waited on this small pullback into here, put your stop loss down here at this consolidation, and you could take off. Boom. You know what I'm saying? So, I mean, don't overcomplicate it in these markets, y'all. It's simple, all right? So I will say this. I do have a free group, free Telegram where I'm giving out signals and stuff like that, man. Y'all free to join it. I gave that Bitcoin play in there. I call in there as often as I can, you know what I'm saying, when I see some stuff. So I'm going to get more consistent in there. But, yeah, click that link below if you want to get involved with that. If you do sign up under my Sway link, if you don't have a broker account, I do got some stuff in the works coming very soon. So you're going to be salty if you ain't under there, because I tried to tell you a long time ago, get on in there. So when I come out with some stuff, you're going to be able to get in there. You feel me? For the freebie. All right. Now, holla at your boy, though. I love y'all. I will see y'all in another video. Let's go.